Hi students, parents, and guardians. A few years ago I came across a really cute animated video that showed column addition with regrouping, as well as column subtraction with borrowing. And it involved this ninja concept. Basically, a student was having trouble figuring out how to do column addition and subtraction, and once he proved himself successful of learning the algorithm and understanding what it all entailed, he earned himself a ninja costume. Anyways, on my NumberSense website, you can find the original ninja addition and subtraction video. Today I want to go ahead and walk you through some column addition and subtraction with regrouping and borrowing respectively, as well as showing it to you in both numbers and, most importantly, in picture form, so that I really can have students review and truly understand what regrouping and borrowing entails from a place value base 10 system. Let's start off with addition with regrouping in number form. Let's start off over here, 3 plus 4. That arrives us at a sum of 7. Six plus 7, recognizing that the 6 is in the tens place and the 7 is in the tens place, so it's really 60 plus 70. But 6 plus 7 will take me to 13. Now it's time to regroup. We'll put the 10 tens, or one group of 100, on the shelf and circle it. And now 1 plus 9 takes us to 10, plus 8 more will give us 18. Of course, we're only allowed to have one digit per column, so we're going to have to regroup those 10 hundreds, or 1,000, and place it on this outer shelf. 1 plus nothing, we'll carry down that 1. We now have a sum of 1,837. Now let's take a look at that very same question using base 10 blocks. Let's start off in the ones column as per usual. 3 blocks plus 4 blocks would take me to 7 blocks, or 7 units. We have 6 groups of 10 plus 7 groups of 10. If I take the 6 groups of 10 and bundle them together with 4, I've now created one group of 100, which I can regroup on this shelf. Leaving 3 groups of 10, which we carry over into the sum. Now we have one group of 100 when lassoed with these 9 hundreds over here that can be regrouped into the thousands column. Over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundreds remaining. And we carry down the 1,000, which we just regrouped, arriving us at the very same sum that we received when we did it in numbers, 1,837. Now let's look at a column subtraction question involving borrowing. Let's start off in the ones section. 5 minus 8. Unfortunately, that's not possible. I need to borrow a group of 10 and regroup it into the units for the ones section. The 4 groups of 10 now become 3 groups of 10. And we slide in the 1 over here. 15 minus 8 gives me a difference of 7. 3 minus 7 is impossible, so let's borrow. The 6 becomes a 5, and we slide in that group of 10 over here. 13 minus 7 gives us a difference of 6. 5 minus 4 gives us a difference of 1. Altogether, the difference is 167. Now let's examine borrowing using base 10 blocks. we have 645 drawn out using base 10 blocks. You'll recall that we start off in the 1 section. 5 minus 8. Well, there aren't 8 units or 8 ones available to be subtracted. We need to do some borrowing. So let's take this rod of 10 and lasso it and regroup it over here in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Altogether, we now have 15. 15 minus 8. Let's subtract minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. The difference, 15 minus 8, is 7. Now recall that we only have 3 10s remaining in the 10 section. 3 minus 7. Is that possible? No, we'll need to borrow a group of 100 and regroup that into 10 rods of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have 13 rods of 10. Can we subtract 13 minus 7? Yes, we can. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. We'll notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rods of 10 remaining. We only have 500s left. Can we subtract 500 minus 400? The answer is yes. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, leaving us a difference of 100 in that column. Altogether, the difference is 167, which matches our numerical answer in the video you just watched previous to this one. Thanks for listening and watching.